you guys. Today we're going to go for a ride in an Austin Mini Cooper van. Look, I know every Mini's not a Mini Cooper, but you'll get over it. All right, what are we going to go for a ride in today? Well, this is a panel van, belongs to our friend Alan Kale, and he brought it to us in a box of parts. He said, will you please just put one of your motors in it and make it run, drive, and stop, and I'll do the rest. So that's what we did. So let's go for a ride and see how it runs. Oh, I got to turn the battery on. Okay, there we go. It starts. Woohoo! No windshield. Maybe I need goggles or a helmet. Oh boy. It's starting to sprinkle joy. Oh, not the first time I've driven a Mini with no windshield or doors on it. If you haven't tried it, give it a whirl. It's a lot of fun. And loud. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh, a lovely day for a pleasure cruise. What was it? I think it was the Mad Max Fury Road. What a lovely day.
Oh, what a day. What a lovely day!
Ay, ay, ay. I should have put on a helmet.
Oh, you can't beat the open road.
Oh, how fun. Well, at least I can tell Alion now that his minivan runs, drives, and stops. Woohoo! Oh, fun, fun, fun. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, man, this sucks. Ah! Oh, come on. I would have to pick a day when it started to sprinkle on me. Ay. Woo! Oh. I can't wait to get back to the shop. Ay, ay, ay. Oh. Oh yeah, that was fun. That was not fun. Oh man. All right, well, that was your ride in a Mini Cooper van. See you on the next one. Maybe. Oh, that was awful.